Thank you. Your Excellency, the President, Bishop Dr. Langat, distinguished leaders, the members of Karen AGC, the entire AGC family, I greet you all. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord once again. Good afternoon. I'm a bit tense, Your Excellency, because this is my church and I'm just used to being an ordinary member. In fact, I've been front here maybe less than 2 or 3 times. I just come here as a member, I sit somewhere in the middle and enjoy the service. Today is a bit different. Your Excellency, I want to first register deep appreciation on behalf of the members of Karen AGC and the AGC Church as a fraternity for the great honor you have given us today in being part and parcel of us as we mark this huge milestone in our church. I really want to register our deepest appreciation that you have found time to worship with us and celebrate as we journey on. I have a small task to play, Your Excellency, mindful of the fact that the church has set a very good mood for us in that they have been fairly brief in doing that which they needed to do. I will do the same, Your Excellency. My responsibility is to recognize the leaders that are here. Perhaps I'll give a chance to only 1 or 2, maximum 3, Your Excellency. Then we will, I'll pass on the microphone to my friend, the CS Murkomen, who's here, to recognize colleagues in the executive side. Then we will be done with our part. Nonetheless, Your Excellency, I really want to appreciate. Let me first register that as an appreciation. Second thing, Your Excellency, is to also, on behalf of the members of Karen AGC, I know it had been said earlier, but I want to put it perhaps with a little bit of emphasis that about 2 years ago, we had built this church and the members had done and pushed as hard as they could. But there's one day that many people, some of them with us here today, they came and they came in a big way, and that is why we're here today. And on behalf of those members, I want to appreciate CS for Interior. Our friend Murkomen is here. CS Davis, who's a member and a child of the AGC Church, like yours truly, they came in a big way. CS for Defense, Soipan Tuya, is a member of this church, Your Excellency. She is away on official duties and has asked me to register her appreciation also to you and the team. And also on that day, you were not here, but your famous hand was here in a big way. So I must appreciate, because you came through for us in a big way. And that's why we're here today, as well as many other leaders. So thank you so much for that, which you did. That's why we are happy to worship in this sanctuary today. The last thing that I want to say, Your Excellency, before I recognize the leaders, is that you know, the citizens of Kenya, they live in 2 countries under 1 president. There is one country, Your Excellency, the one that is on social media, newspapers and headlines, which is a very difficult and broken down country. Then there is another country that real, actual transformation is happening. Why do I say so, Your Excellency? I say so because of Tenwek Hospital. Tenwek Hospital, for those of us that come from that part of the country, and I know this for a fact, today they have achieved a huge milestone in opening up a clinic right here at the capital of the city. 2 years ago, before the coming into place of the Social Health Authority, as a member of this church and as a friend, and of course because of the position that I served in, almost on a monthly basis, the CEO of this hospital will always look for me to say, please come and hold my hand, take me to NHIF to try and pursue our bills. This hospital was almost grinding to a halt. They had a special room where they'd keep people's title deeds and ID cards because ordinary citizens could not pay their bills. And you know, this is a mission hospital. Look at what 2 years under Social Health Authority has done. Just being able to pay bills when people visit the hospital. Today they are opening up a clinic here. In fact, with a lot of respect, I was challenging my bishop today. And I said to him, you know, those of us that are on the political class, we know how to argue with our fellow politicians. That we can do very easy. What we don't know how to do is to argue with the men of the cloth. You know, there are bishops who speak in this town about social health authority, and they say certain things which you wonder which country they live in. Yourself, Bishop, and I challenge you this morning, that you also need to speak, see what social health authority has done to hospitals like Tenwek, that now they can begin to see transformation and move into countries like this. That's the kind of country that we want. We want a Kenya where when those that are duty bound to say certain things will say, those of us that are benefiting and seeing the actual transformation that is happening in Kenya have an opportunity. They also get to speak so that people can know Kenya is changing under the presidency of President William Ruto and the administration that he leads. So on behalf of the people of that region who benefit from Tenwek, Tenwek serves the people of Nyamira, Kisii, Narok, Kericho, Bomet, Kisumu, so many of them. I say this because so many of their leaders reach out to me sometimes and say, there are people that have been treated, please help us with this or the other thing. And what this authority has done for them is something that we celebrate because of the good work that they have done. So I register my appreciation on behalf of those people. I don't want to speak for long. My duty was actually to just introduce the leaders that are here. Then I'll give, perhaps on their behalf, because my counterpart, the leader of the National Assembly is here, he'd say something about it. I want to request the members of parliament that are here. Before the members of parliament, I know we have the members of county assembly, particularly from Nairobi. I saw so many of them come here, including the area MCA Anthony. I don't know where he's seated. Please just come. Then I'll stand next to you in a minute. His colleagues, please, members of the county assembly, please be upstanding. We have quite a number of them. Let's appreciate them, church, that they found time to worship with us today. I'll give, on their behalf, I'll give Anthony a minute to say something.
Thank you so much, Senator. Your Excellency.